Hello students, welcome to our online session. These classes we started from August 1st. We covered Microsoft Word, which is a word processing software. Then we started with Microsoft Excel, which is a spreadsheet application. Spreadsheet means where we can do calculation, prepare chart and other things. And today's session we will be concentrating on PowerPoint, a presentation software, which will also will be equally important for your professional development. And this session we will have on two classes, two sessions of PowerPoint, then one session of tools and techniques in ICT. Few tools and techniques we will discuss, and by that end, by 30th or 31st, we will complete our certificate course. Who participated in all the assignments and who took part in the quiz will be given certificate. Once you finish, within a 1 day certificate will be, actually already certificate format and all is ready, and it will be generated to you. Okay. From my side, whatever possible I have done. Still, out of 39 students, I could see only 20 students or 21 to 22 students participating regularly, and remaining could not attend at all. They did not try also. It's not that no, it's not working, system illa, phone illa. Apart from that, no, they didn't want to try. But no, understand the situation. Now way of learning is changed, way of teaching is changed. Even if I know it is so boring to teach like this in front of laptop talking and making videos, no, we want the students in the thing. It's not that no, madam is so happy to teach online. No, even madam is not happy at all. Madam also wants student. I want to see my students in the lab. So all labs are all full of dust only computers are there, no students are there, even we. But what to say, situation has changed. We need to adapt to the situation. We can't tell no, all these things will come, I will be at home only, I won't introduce. No, we have to survive. There are people who got corona, was hospitalized, whole family was hospitalized, but to 14 days quarantine they were there, another 10 days they took rest and once again went back to work. That's all. How long we will be sitting at home? We have to survive. See, first it was a fear stage, now it has become a learning stage. Now we start. See, the new methodology has come. From nowadays, from a smaller kids, LKG to a higher classes, online classes are going on. Small kids are recording their lessons and sending. My children won't do. Okay, that is so bad. That to take an BSc computer science, no, have passion. Today's, I think, I don't know how many of you attended that webinars. The sir so clearly said it is your interest and your motivation. You can do whatever you want, but motivation factor is within you. I think that also hardly few people attended. See, don't miss these kind of career oriented options. So clearly in that list of topics he had put, if you could come across, most of the topics where recent development is there, it's all based on computer. Most of the topic was based on computer concept. In the list, if you could observe, no, like Python, data mining, this machine language, all were the upcoming field they have given, and they are giving training for that also they were mentioning. See, such a nice opportunity. You study only as BSc as your course. How privileged for you. If you people take up these kind of course, it will be easy for you to understand rather than another stream people who will understand computer concept and take up the course and come up, use the opportunities. There are a lot of things there in learning. Adjust to the situation, adopt to the situation. This is our situation. Now we need to accommodate ourselves to our online classes. Okay, so accommodate, adjust, no, make a passion for it. No, this is the things. It's not that no, nobody is telling it's 11 o'clock you have to log in and you have to attend 2 hours like that and all. See, simple video we are sending, you can watch in the night at least. No, somewhere you can spend time. If you really want to gain something, no, you'd have used, actually, no, you can use it up. Take up this chance. From September 1st college is starting like this. See, now only 50% of students are attending. That's not going to be an online session. It is your real time third semester. This semester you will study about a concept called DBMS and software engineering, which is totally a new topic for you. It's a simple subject, not like data structure and all. It is very simple, but you need to attend the class, then only you will follow. No, like this only 50 people percentage of people attended. And what is the benefit of no doing all the effort, all the things we are putting across for you people and bringing up? I could see only 15 of them, 20 of them participating, means that's much is not the. From your side also, how much ever possible, try to involve in these kind of online sessions. See, there are a lot of jokes coming online session. This is happening, that apart from all the thing, no, somewhere we also have to end of the day, we also have to learn something, correct? We all, that is the situation. What can we do? We never thought like this will come, or we will start with this online teaching. Even really say no, we also wanted to see the students. This is mode of teaching is not so comfortable for us also. Being a student, no, 2 years, the first year is already over, another 2 years, finish, develop a skill, go from this college with a nice job or a higher education, nice higher education institute to get selected through MCA entrance. Like that, you people have to move from this. That's the only thing ma'am wants from you all. So today's session, enough with this. In case the last option, if anybody really says, ma'am, really I'm not able to recharge my phone, that's the reason I'm not attending, otherwise I would have attended, means send your mobile number, I will recharge and give you. I don't have a problem at all, provided you are attending, means I will recharge your phone for your data pack and give. Okay. That's the last option which I can tell for my students, so that I want you, all of you, to participate in these kind of sessions. See, little bit if you involve, see, this was only basic. Next semester we can plan for web designing. See, that is my specialty. My specialty is only web designing. That is my passion. Actually, rather than all these things, no, my interest was only to that time. Web designing only was my thing. But you can all, like this, we can have one small course, have a web designing. Who knows, later if you people really involved, we can have a small course on Python, we can have small course on blockchain management. There are so many options available. Okay, we can all have small courses which will enrich your knowledge in this field. Okay, with this we stop. So today's session